Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this NOKIA G21 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 home screen widgets that you can possibly add on this device. So first of all, in order for you to get to the widget menu, choose any vacant spot on any of your home screens, tap and hold, and go for widgets. So the first widget I would highly recommend on adding is the very necessary, and I would even say the vital, clock widget. Here we have two designs to choose from. We can either go with the analog clock. In my case, I'll go with digital version of it. So tap and hold and choose the place where you want to drop it at on any of your home screens. For example, I'll move it to the second home screen of mine and place it right here. The second widget that I would highly recommend that you add is the calendar widget. So basically what this widget can do is it will make sure that you will not forget anything important that is added to the calendar. For example, some reminders, events, celebrations, holidays, etc, etc, etc. Here we have two designs to choose from as it was with the clock, so we can either go with the bigger version or the compact one. In my case, I'll like the compact one better. I'll place it right here, and this widget will make sure that I will not forget about anything important. And the third widget that I would highly recommend that you add is the direct dial widget that is located in the contacts category of, widget menu. Here, look for the direct dial, tap and hold, choose the place where you want to drop the shortcut. I'll, for example, place it right here. And what this widget is capable of, you choose a one contact that once chosen, once set, you will be able to quickly dial just by basically tapping on the widget we have just added. So, for example, I add the dead contact, and as you will see, it has changed its design. And now, once I tap on this shortcut, the dial of the dead will start right away, as you can see. In my case, it did not like start at the actual dial because I do not have any SIM card inserted. But believe me, if you have one, you will be able to call somebody without necessarily having to open in the phone app, go into the contacts, and etc. So just a very convenient, life-saving widget. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful or interesting, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!